Well, hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about teaching and learning website Edmodo. Here you can create your own profile as a teacher. I created my profile, Shokhista here, and you can create your class and groups. For example, let's create a class. For example, here you can choose your group name and your class name. For example, intermediate group. You can describe your class like 15 students. Morning group or 2-hour class. It's up to you. You can select your grade, for example 6th grade, or subject, for example world language, and sub-subject all, and the color is optional. You can choose any, for example I'll choose red, and you create a group. If you give your students link, you can add students, or you can just explore the class before adding your students. Here is the class. Add students, send welcome post. You can create a post here. You can create assignment, create and send quiz. For example, it's like somehow similar to Canvas, but it's different. For example, assignment title, group presentation, let it be, and instruction. Here you can add any instruction, for example request your group and make a poster presentation about the topic, for example world language. And you can here add attachments, so you can attach file or give a link or add something from library that's included in Edmodo. You created an assignment and you can assign to intermediate group, and you can put a due date like July 10th, let it be, and you can put hours, log after due date, add to grade book progress, and assign. This item has been sent as an assignment. You see here teacher posted to intermediate group teacher, and here is the assignment. If students go in, they can see this assignment. What else? Here you can post something, it doesn't matter, and here you can see members. You can add students here. You can send invitation. Here you put first name, last name, and emails of students for yourself, and you can see the class. And here you can find folders. You can enter whatever you want that's relevant to your class. And in this part you can see the message. You can type and send messages to your students or to the group members. And here you can see your profile. You can invite other teachers as well. You can see groups, pages. You see it's more or less like a canvas. And what else? Here you can add your school, add a profile picture, or you can say something about yourself. It will be your bio. And this is how your profile looks like at Edmodo. I think that's all about it. As if you sign in as a student, this can be an online learning tool, and you can send your assignments to your teacher, and it's really time saving and efficient. It ensures that you have less or no paperwork at all. And here in Edmodo, you can also see distance learning collection. You can find practical resources for distance learning, including guides, activities for engaging students online. Here you see videos for distance learning, schedules, workflow. Well, there are a wide range of tools to learn, materials, and that's all that I can say about Edmodo. You can create a group, as I said. Well, and you can personalize your Edmodo experience by adding interests like English, fourth language, project-based learning, technology, arts and travel, and safe. Here you can see all about Edmodo teaching and learning website. Well, thank you for your attention.